Hi guys, welcome back to part 3 on IGCSE Pearson and Excel qualification, which deals with the exam papers. Yes, overall you have got a 2-paper model on Pearson and Excel IGCSE specification. That means you have got two exam papers to write, paper 1 and paper 2. So the paper 1 deals with investigating small business. The paper code is 4BS1, which is 01, that is a paper 1 paper code, and we are externally assessing 50% of the total international GCSE. The first assessment has happened for this specification in June 2019. And we'll just check on the content summary. This paper will draw on topics taken from the whole of the subject content. So understand that the whole of the subject content is there in paper 1. The question scenarios are based on small business up to 49 employees. So keep this in mind. The paper 1 is on investigating small business and it is up to 49 employees. Alright. So in both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2, you will be having a case study model of question paper. So usually they give you one case study, and based on that case study you will have to solve different questions based on the topics which you have dealt in the specification. And regarding the assessment, the examination of 1 hour and 30 minutes is there, and consisting of 4 compulsory questions, each worth 20 marks. So your question paper is overall divided into 4 sections and total of 80 marks is there in paper 1. The sub-questions are a mixture of multiple choice, short answer, data response and open-end questions. Calculators may be used in the examination and certain formulas would be given to you at the beginning of the question paper. Now discussing on the paper 2. It is on investigating large business. The paper code is 4BS102 and 50% of total international GCSE is externally assessed, and as we already told, it has happened first time on June 2019. This paper will draw on the topics taken from the whole of the subject content. So understand that again the whole specification, questions and the topics will be asked in this question paper also. The difference which you can see is regarding the small business and large business. As in paper 2 you can see that large business is being focused and which is more than 250 employees. And here also the number of hours is 1.5 hours for your paper 2. There are 4 sections, 20 marks each and total of 80 marks in paper 2. And the sub question as same as a mixture of multiple choice, short answer, data responses and open-end questions. So this is all about paper 1 and paper 2. All the topics subject content is included for both large business and small business. The only difference lies in the number of employees. A case study, as I have told you, so based on that case study different skills is being assessed. So just to make it clear, it is paper 1 for BS1 and paper 2 for BS1, which is 02. So see you soon for the next video coming up, which is on the assessment objectives and information. Thank you.